The theft of construction and agricultural machinery in the UK has soared, now costing the industry over £1 billion a year. But now there's a solution. Introducing Ramlock, the rugged, low-cost anti-theft device built to lock thieves out and keep your equipment safe. Fits mini diggers, excavators, forklifts and tractors. Ramlock protects it all. The tamper-proof Ramlock fits over the steering ram at full lock and the dozer ram with the tracks slightly off the ground, and locks in place with a unique key. Once it's on, the vehicle becomes immobile, even with the ignition key. Thieves go nowhere. It's a powerful visual deterrent and a total game changer.